Today we are unboxing and testing the ALDI Ambiano Vacuum Sealer. I managed to pick this up for only 20 bucks at my local ALDI store. It comes in a nice package, so let's see what's inside. Inside the box you find out sealer itself and 5 sealing bags and roll of film. Let's put it to work. First I'm using it to pack a steak. I used the normal button to seal the meat, and I have to say I'm pretty satisfied with how it performed. Here's a little tip to get the best vacuum. There is a cavity in the middle of machine. You need to place the opening of your bag exactly inside this raw cavity. Doing this ensures that air is sucked out perfectly from the bag. Next I did another test with onion and it worked perfectly. You can see it created a perfect solid seal. If you are using roll instead of pre-cut bags, here's a quick demonstration how to make your own. First you need to seal one end by placing it on the machine and pressing seal. You need to wait about 20 seconds for the machine to finish and the light to turn off before opening it. Once the end is solid, put the roll to the length you need and use the built-in slider to cut it to size. It's very easy and works perfectly. Overall, I am really satisfied with this purchase, especially considering it's only cost 20 bucks. It works great for the price point. Just remember that the cable is a bit short, so plan your setup accordingly. I provided links in the video description where you can find replacement rolls and bags for this sealer.